as you can hear, they are going off. They're warming up their tyres, just doing a few practice laps. It all starts at 10 a.m. I can't wait. At Mondello Park. It is sunny. They've got a dry track to drive on. We've got Adam LZ, Jimmy Oakes, James Dean, Colette Davis. Everyone's out here and they were absolutely smashing it around this track. I don't know what speed they're getting up to on this straight, but it is mental. I don't know how many voice clips I'm going to get today, but I will have plenty of content. We got a car show over there, there's loads of merch, picked up some merch, and then obviously the whole drift event competition. Wild. Kicking off now. They're all doing their super laps. Not sure entirely what that entails of, but they're just bombing it around the track, just full send. It is nuts. We're just walking down to where they're lining up. It is absolutely ram out everywhere we go, so we're just gonna have a good look at the cars as they go off at the mark. It's amazing here, honestly, best venue. Right, so we're here at the start of the track. We just saw them warming up ready for the super laps, just doing the figure eights around the little section that they've coned off. Just seeing Adam LZ, Colette Davis, Just all of them. I'm here mainly for Adam Elsie, I'm not gonna lie to you. But it's just crazy seeing him just a couple of feet away, and he is laser focused. He does not let anything just sort of phase him. He's got so many people here. I think there's about 10k people here. I don't know how they do it in America. I don't know how many sort of people they get out watching their drift events out there, but this is just amazing for Ireland and like the UK in general. This is such a good opportunity to be here, honestly. The facilities amazing, the staff really good, it's clean. Normally at some tracks you'll just see litter everywhere. It's so well organized. I've got to give it to Drift Games and Adam Elsie. Just everything about it is just superb, well worth the money. I think I paid about 30 quid for the tickets. Unfortunately couldn't get the VIP tickets, just didn't have the funds for that. I would have been made up if I could go into the VIP and actually meet them or see them, just like working on the cars, talking to the team. But yeah, this is well worth the money, and I'm so glad I got the flight over and just went through the bit of hardship to get here. But honestly, best track day, best event I've been to ever, hands down. Hope you're all enjoying the video, guys. I'm gonna get back to it, trying to get the good angles. We're gonna relocate in a sec, ready for the LZ Invitational Games. Yeah, unreal. I just shouted at him from the pits and he waved back, and I'm gonna take that with me forever. If I'm ever feeling down, I'm just gonna remember that. Fair play, that was sick. We gotta head off now. They're starting the top 16, and we gotta head home because we got a flight not too far away, boys. So we gotta get a taxi and we gotta get back, unfortunately, but it has been unreal. Back, baby. Right, guys, I have just got in. I am pooped. What a day. I have been on the move since about 5 o'clock last night, just traveling, little bit of sleep in between, little bit of food here and there, and just enjoying the entire day today. I have used so many adjectives today just to try and even explain how good it was today. Honestly, it was unreal. I hope you've all enjoyed my view of how today went. I wish I could have got closer in on the action because it was just unbelievable what they were doing today with those cars. But yeah, hopefully there'll be another time and I will definitely get closer in on the action. If you want to know sort of how much I spent on the entire trip or any sort of details, just let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy, because it was a pretty reasonable week. Well, it was a day. I stayed for a day, but it was pretty reasonable even though it was a flight away and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely if they do another event like that, I would highly recommend that you go to it, no matter where it is in the UK or Ireland. It was you will not regret it. So if they do come back next year, or even if it's in, like, say, Amsterdam or something like that, it's only an hour away on the plane, and the flights are pretty reasonable. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna end out this video. Thank you all guys for watching, and you will catch me on the next one. And I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of different content. I won't be doing it all the time, but if there's stuff like this, you will definitely see me there. I'm gonna get to bed. Thank you all guys for watching. Peace.